Replace that wasted real estate taken up by your table saw's extension table with the new double-duty extension wing router table. Now you can quickly switch from routing to sawing in one efficient workflow, just by dropping your router bit and taking off the fence for a smooth, flat extension table that's slicker and lower maintenance than either cast iron or laminate. Available in two sizes, 27 by 23 inch and 27 by 45 inch, each EWRT will fit on either side of a 27-inch deep table saw. Plus, they're built with heavy-duty legs and adjustable feet to ensure your extension is stable and level with the main table saw. Installation of both models is simple, and the extension mounts to the edge of your main table, not to your extension rails. It doesn't matter what brand of rip fence you have or how the rails are configured, the EWRT fits inside the 27-inch space, supported by the edge of the main table and the heavy-duty legs. So if you've been trying to shoehorn a router table into your shop space, but haven't found the right spot for it, get more utility from the space you're already using with the extension wing router table from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.